Serverless web applications and their backends typically make use of AWS Lambda, API Gateway, DynamoDB, and even S3 or step functions as well. End users might interact with your applications through web, mobile smartphones, or even IoT devices. Each incoming request from the end user is typically received by one of the endpoints exposed by API Gateway. API Gateway then triggers a call to Lambda function, and Lambda function then coordinates with different web services like S3 or DynamoDB to generate a response and then return that response back to the end user, possibly through the same channel like API Gateway. And S3 can also be used to create the app frontend in this case. Such applications could have very unpredictable usage patterns with periods of extremely high user traffic followed by minimal traffic. And your application must be geared to handle the spikes in traffic without the need for any expensive infrastructure. With AWS Lambda, your applications can scale on demand and you pay only for what you use. And in most cases, such serverless applications require zero administration. Now let's look at real-time data processing systems or real-time streaming data processing systems. You can use Amazon Kinesis along with Lambda, DynamoDB, and S3 to create your real-time data processing systems. Real-time data processing systems typically have variable workloads, and serverless approach helps here by helping with automatic scaling during high workloads and then scaling down and saving costs during the idle time. Amazon Kinesis is a service that lets you collect, process, and analyze real-time streaming data from multiple sources at any scale. You can literally process terabytes of data every hour coming in from thousands and thousands of sources simultaneously. For example, social media streaming data from several sources can be loaded into Kinesis simultaneously and then processed in real time using AWS Lambda and DynamoDB.